today. It's about 9 o'clock, just getting up and going. Sit there. Phone was at like 60% when I woke up. Forgot to turn it off, and it was still had full signal and everything. So sit there, let my phone get up to 100%, well 90%, and then now we're heading on. Plan today is try to make it to the Erie Trail. So now ain't got a planned spot to camp yet. We'll see how I feel about 12, 1 o'clock, and then we'll make a plan. And I got every single thing charged last night. So yeah, that was awesome. One bad thing is we got a lot of highway riding today. We got this, and then like the last 10 miles to be on trails, but I think we're on 4 for about 16, 17, 18 miles. Bike lanes in, about 11 miles in, still got about 9 miles forth, and no more bike lane, at least right now. Rolling through Stillwater, New York. All the geese. And yeah, y'all can tell how windy. And gusts are crazy. Yeah, I'm here in Stillwater, New York. I just stopped at a convenience store, got me a spicy chicken, and they let me fill up my water, which was awesome, so I didn't have to pay for more water, which I had to do last night because they had no water fountain or anything anywhere near there, and I ran out of water yesterday evening, so had to go buy like 2. I got 3 liters last night. But yeah, gone 13.9 so far, and yeah, we're off for 4 right now, and we're going to be on a couple of different streets. I think we got about 6 or 7 miles until we get off the highway and we get back onto some type of trails. Ended up being 19 point something or another miles on them roads and highways, but it's 11:30 right now and I've gone 20.3. Waterford, New York. We're almost, we got 2.7. South or west? South goes to New York City, west goes to Buffalo. We're going to turn west, and then we'll be turning off of this at Rochester when we hit the Eastern Divide route again. But technically the Eastern Divide route connects to the Erie Trail in, I think, Rome, New York. So we'll be back on it when we hit that. It turns off of it in Rochester. Up, everybody. I did the lock time. Well, 980 or something like that. But yeah, I did right at 60 miles today. It's like 59.8, so might as well say 60. So I've done pretty much 120 miles in 2 days, because I did 57 yesterday and then 58 today. Feeling great.